Very good morning, children. Let's move on to further part of angles and measurement. That is, we'll focus on certain application-based questions, though you have learnt in 10th standard, but a small revision of those concepts with conversion of degree to radian. And best application is with clock. Let's start. So express the following angles in degree, minute and second. So here they have given it is 183.7 degree. I want to convert this into proper degree, minutes and second. So I'll write this as 183 degree plus 0.7 degree, correct? 183 degree plus 0.7 degree. 183 degree पूरा है. Now I'll convert 0.7 degree into minutes. Since I multiply it by 60, correct? 1 degree में 60 minutes होते हैं. 0.7 into 60 minutes. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? 183 degree. This will become 0.7 into 0, that is 7, 42 minutes. So answer will be, since there is no decimal further, so final answer will be 183 degree 42 minutes. Okay. Let's move on to second problem. Again I'll write this as 245 degree plus 0.33 degree. 245 degree plus 0.33 degree. So 245 is a proper number, so I will not disturb it. Now 0.33 degree को minutes में convert करना है, तो I'll multiply by 60 and I'll give the symbol of minutes. So ये हो जाएगा 245 degree. Now this will become 3.3 into 6. How much? 3.3 into 6. That is 19.8 minutes. क्या हो जाएगा? 245 degree. Still there is decimal. So I'll write this as 245 degree 19 minutes plus 0.8 minutes. Correct? Again 19 is a proper number. उसे कुछ नहीं करेंगे. So 19 minutes. Now 0.8 minutes को I need to convert into seconds. So I'll write 0.8 into 60 seconds. So final answer will be 245 degree 19 minutes and 8 6 are 48. So 48 seconds. So the final answer for 245.33 degree is 245 degree 19 minutes 48 seconds. Okay. Next, these are application based questions now. Two angles of a triangle are 5 pi by 9 and 5 pi by 18. Find the degree and radian measure of the third angle. So to make it simple, I'll say let angle A be 5 pi by 9, angle B be 5 pi by 18 and angle C be x. Now we know angle sum property, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. But since all are in radian, I'll write 180 as pi. Remember 90 degree means pi by 2, 180 degree means pi, 360 degree means 2 pi. So angle A कितना है? 5 pi by 9. Angle B कितना है? 5 pi by 18. C कितना है? X. Correct? So my X will be how much? Pi minus 5 pi by 9 minus 5 pi by 8. The calculation part you must do it. So it will be somewhat 72 pi minus 40 pi minus 45 pi upon 72. That is your X will be somewhat, if you calculate, it will come with some mistake I have made in calculation. 8 5 is 40, 9 5 is 45. So it is coming as, sorry, it is 5 pi by 18. Extremely sorry, it is 18. So this part is wrong. I'll just rectify it. So what will get? I'll multiply this by 2, this by 2. So हो जाएगा 18 pi minus 10 pi minus 5 pi upon 18. That is 3 pi by 18. What will get? 18 minus 10, 8. Wait, I multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2. This will become 18. 18 pi minus 10 pi. So it will become 3 pi by 18. So in radian it will be 3 pi by 18. Now you convert in degree and write the answer. You know how to convert into degree. You have to multiply by 180 by pi to get the answer in degree. Am I right? To get the answer in degree. Is it clear? Just check my calculations once again. It seems somewhere I have made a mistake. 5 pi by 9 plus 5 pi by 18 is 15 pi by 18. It goes here is 3 pi. So it will be pi 6. So answer is pi by 6. Therefore, in degree, angle C will be 30 degree. Convert pi by 6 into degree, you will get 30 degree. So angle C is 30 degree or angle C is pi by 6. Sorry for the calculation mistakes. The sum of two angles is 5 pi and the difference is 60 degree. So then I'll say that let x and y be two angles. What is given? Sum of two angles is 5 pi, first equation, and difference of two angles. Actually should have mod. So I'm assuming that x is greater than y. So x minus y is 60 degree. Now 60 degree if you convert in radian, you will get pi by 3. कितना मिलेगा? Pi by 3. Now I need to solve these two equations. That is x plus y equal to 5 pi. X minus y equal to pi by 3. I will add both of them. So I'll get 2x equal to 5 pi plus pi by 3. That is how much? 16 pi by 3. So 2x equal to 16 pi by 3. So 2 8s are. Therefore I am getting x as 8 pi by 3. कितना आ रहा है x? 8 pi by 3. So now substitute x equal to 8 pi by 3 in equation 2. You can substitute in first also. Sorry, minus y is equal to pi by 3. Therefore y कितना आएगा? 7 pi by 3. Hence the angles are 8 pi by 3 and 7 pi by 3. Again convert them into degree. Or you will convert them into degree. Okay. So somewhat you will get this as pi by 3 matlab 60. So 8 6 are 480 degree and this will be 420 degree. Therefore angles are 480 degree and 420 degree. 480 degree and 420 degree. Understood? Next, the measure of a angles of a triangle are in AP. We know that there are three angles. So let the angles in AP be A minus D, A plus D, such that A is greater than D and both are greater than 0. I'm assuming them to be positive purposely because we know that angles are positive, and to make it simpler I am saying that A D से बड़ा है. So my first statement is over. The measure of angles of a triangle are in AP. Now they are saying that the greatest angle is 5 times the smallest. So since I have written this condition, I can say that A plus D is the greatest angle and A minus D is the lowest angle. So the greatest angle is 5 times the lowest angle. तो क्या मिलेगा? This one condition will get, and also you know that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180, correct? So this will be 180. So minus D plus D cancel. So 3A is equal to 180 degree. Therefore A कितना आएगा? 60 degree. कितना आएगा ये? 60 degree. Therefore this equation will become 60 degree plus D 5 into 60 माइनस 5d, करेक्ट। तो कितना आएगा 6d इज इक्वल टू 240 डिग्री, देयरफॉर d विल बी 40 डिग्री। कितना आएगा d 40, करेक्ट। देयरफॉर द एंगल्स आर 60 minus 40, that is 20 degree, then 60 degree, then 60 plus 40, 100 degree. The angles of a triangles will be 20 degree, 60 degree, 100 degree. Now angles in radian you will find. Convert degree into radian and write the answer. I'll just write the answer. You just check. It is pi by 9, pi by 3 and 5 pi by 9. The angles in radian will be pi by 9, pi by 3, 5 pi by 9. Okay. Next. One angle of a quadrilateral has measure 2 pi by 5 and measure of other three angles are in the ratio 2:3:4. Since the ratio is given, so let x be the common multiple. Therefore, what can I say? Since they have said quadrilateral, sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So 2 pi by 5 plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x equals 360 degree. 360 मतलब कितना होता है 2 pi. So 4, 7, 9x. So I'll get 9x as 2 pi minus 2 pi by 5. That is 9x becomes, cross multiplied, 8 pi by 5. Therefore I'll get x as 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, correct. 2 pi minus 2 pi by 5. Yes. So I'll get x as somewhat 8 pi by 45. How much? 8 pi by 45. Okay. Now you know x, so you can find the angles. The angles are 2x. So 2 into 8 pi by 45, then 3 into 8 pi by 45 and 4 into 8 pi by 45. I have found in radian. You will find the answer in degree. What you will do? You will find the answer in degree. Understood? Clear everyone? Next, one of my favorite question. This can be asked in your unit test exams also. The angles of a triangle are in AP. So I will say let the angles be a minus d degree, a plus d degree. Please do mention कि angle degree में कर रहे हो कि radian में कर रहे हो. ठीक है. So let the angles be a minus d degree, a degree and a plus d degree. Okay. Now what is the question? If the number of degrees in the least is to number of radians in the greatest. Again, I'll assume the same condition. A D से बड़ा है और दोनों पॉजिटिव है, तो ये लोएस्ट है, ये ग्रेटेस्ट है. क्या है? एक लोएस्ट है और एक ग्रेटेस्ट है. बिफोर दैट, सिंस एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल बोला है, सो A minus D, A plus D is equal to 180 degree. Correct? So if you simplify this, you will get A as 60 degree. A as 60 degree. Correct? Therefore angles क्या हो जाएंगे? 60 minus D degree, 60 degree, 60 plus D degree. Correct? अब क्या बोला है? रेशियो कितना दिया है? रेशियो 60 upon pi. कैसे दिया है? नंबर ऑफ डिग्रीज इन द लीस्ट क्या आएगा? 60 minus d degree. Correct? To that of radian. Radian कितना आएगा? 60 plus d. Correct? Now convert any one of them. I'll make it easy. I'll convert this degree into radian. 60 minus d degree को I'll convert into radian. Correct? So what you will get? Tell me. Yes, think over it. What can be done? I'll help you out. It is degree, already numerator degree में है, denominator भी degree में है, correct? This is in degree. So I need to convert this degree into radian, correct? कि ratio degree upon radian का पूछा है. So I'll multiply it by pi by 180, 60 upon pi, correct? So 180 ऊपर जाएगा. So 180 into 60 minus d, pi 60 plus d is equal to 60 upon pi. So pi cut, 60 3s are, correct? So कितना आएगा? 180 minus 3d, 60 plus d, that is 180 minus 60, 120 is equal to 4d, therefore d is equal to 30 degree. Once you get d, you can find the angles. What will be your angles, children? I'm writing angles. Angles will be how much? 60 minus 30, that is 30 degree. A is 60 degree and A plus D matlab 90 degree. This step was very important. And this step रेशो किसका पूछा है? डिग्री टू रेडियन का. हमारे पास दोनों किस में है? डिग्री में है. सो एक डिग्री को आई नीड टू कन्वर्ट इनटू रेडियन. गेटिंग इट? सॉरी, डिनोमिनेटर वाले को ही रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना है बिकॉज दे हैव गिवन द रेशियो ऑफ डिग्री टू रेडियन. सो न्यूमरेटर शुड बी इन डिग्री and denominator should be in radian. Understood? Very good sum and very important for MCQ or theory point of view. Now, most important application, find the degree and radian measure of the exterior and interior angles of a regular pentagon, hexagon. Now suppose if I talk about a polygon has n sides. कितने होते हैं polygon में sides? N sides. So if a polygon has n sides, then each exterior angle, I am talking about regular polygon, regular polygon का exterior angle, if you find out for square, pentagon, hexagon, it will always be 360 degree divided by n. If you take a square, try to find out the exterior angle and fit into this formula. It will verify. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon is given by 360 degree by number of sides, and if you see the interior angle is given by 180 degree minus exterior angle. 180 degree minus exterior angle. एक square का example ले लो and try out. This is exterior angle. This is interior. So interior plus exterior is 180, that we have written. And how it is 360 by n? This is 90. So ये कितना आएगा? 90. So verify with the formula, you get the same answer. Now pentagon के लिए, for pentagon, what is n? 5. For regular pentagon, n is 5. So my exterior angle will be 360 degree upon n. n कितना है? 5. So it will be 5 7s are 35, 2. So each exterior angle of a regular pentagon will be 72 degree. Therefore interior angle will come out to be 180 degree minus 72 degree. That is how much? 180 minus 72 will be 108 degree. Similarly, आप hexagon के लिए solve करोगे. I'll just write the answer for your verification. Exterior angle will be how much? 60 degree. Exterior angle 60 degree आएगा. Interior angle will be 120 degree. If you have any doubts in deriving the formula of exterior angle, you can ask me. I'll explain you in detail. But you give a try by drawing the diagram. You'll understand in a nice way. Okay. Now let's move on to the last application of this chapter, that is clock. We know how to see the time, everything we know. Now today we'll be seeing how to find the angle at a specified given time. Okay. So see, if I talk about a clock, your clock has like this. So then please bear me, I am not good at drawing at all. Suppose the time is 12:15. Suppose I want to find the angle between 12 and 3, or when the time is 12:15. Okay, so if you just give a glance, it appears to be 90 degree, correct? 12 पूरा circle 360, पूरा circle is of 360 degree. It is divided into 12 parts. That is 12 और 1 के बीच में एंगल कितना आएगा? 30 डिग्री. 1 और 2 के बीच में 30 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, correct? So if you just give a glance, it appears to be 90 degree, but if you see carefully, when it is 12:15, the angle is no more 90 degree. It will be less than 90 degree or more than 90 degree, that we'll see. Why? Because a journey from 12 to 1, जब 12 से 1 बजते हैं, it takes 1 hour, and to complete this journey from this to this, that is from 12 to 1, it takes 60 minutes, and in that 60 minutes it covers 30 degree. Am I right? जब 12 से 1 बजेंगे, that is when the time goes from 12 to 1, the journey takes 60 minutes, which requires 30 degree. 12 to 1, the angle is 30 degree. So when I say that the time is 12:15, the hour hand is not on 12, it will be somewhere after 12. It will be somewhere after 12. So this angle was 90 degree, but I am interested in this angle only. I want only this angle AOB. तो ये एंगल 90 से कम आएगा. क्या आएगा? 90 से कम. अब कितना कम? And how to find? Let us see that. So whenever any time is given, first find the wrong angle between them. Like if I say the time is 12:15, तो आपके हिसाब से एंगल कितना आएगा? 12 से 3. Check the angle between the consecutive marks of hour hand and minute hand. So hour hand कहाँ पर है? 12 पर. Minute hand कहाँ पर है? 3 पर. So there are 3 consecutive marks. 1, 2, 3. So initially angle will be 90 degree. The angle between hour hand and minute hand will be 90 degree, correct? But we know that the minute hand has changed the angle. Minute hand ने 15 minutes cross किया है. Therefore the hour hand will be somewhere between 12 and 1. So we know that for 60 minutes का time के लिए it requires 30 degree. तो 15 minutes के लिए how much it will take? How much degree it will cover? So if you see, it will cover 1/4 degree, है ना? 60 minutes के लिए 30 degree है, तो 15 minutes के लिए कितना cover करेगा? Let us take as x, cross multiply करो, it will cover 1/4, that is 30 degree का 4th part cover करेगा. And since the angle is coming inside, so 90 minus 30 by 4, that is 90 degree minus 4 7s are 28, 7.5. So angle will be 82.5 degree. कितना आएगा? 82.5 degree. Understood? Since the angle is coming inside, it will be reduced. So always remember, it will be the approximate angle which you know, plus or minus minutes divided by 2. जितना minutes है उसको divide by 2 करो. That much will be your angle. Like here 12:15 के लिए the wrong angle was 90. Since the angle is reducing, when you draw diagram, you understand कि angle कम हो रहा है कि ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Since it is reducing, I am doing minus. What I am doing minus? 15 minutes divided by 2. Minutes कितना है? 15. I am dividing it by 2. So 15 by 2 is 7.5. So 90 minus 7.5 is 82.5. Understood? I'll take 2 examples so understand clearly. Okay. So first one, it is 10 past 11. 10 past 11 का मतलब क्या है? 11:10. Somewhere here, sorry. ऐसा कुछ है. Initially from my point of view ऐसा एंगल आएगा. ये 12, ये 1. So what will be the angle traced? Wrongly if I say 11 से 12:30, 12 से 1:30, 1 से 2:30, that is 90 degree. Angle between hour hand and minute hand, wrongly 3 consecutive marks है, so 90 degree. but I know that when it is 11:10, correct, 11 से आगे जाएगा, my angle has to reduce, so I'll do subtraction. My angle has to reduce, so I'll do subtraction. So 90 minus कितना मिनट्स बोला है, 10 minutes. कितना बोला है, 10 minutes. So I'll do 10 minutes divide by 2, that is 90 degree minus 5 degree, that is 85 degree. कितना आंसर आएगा, when it is 10 past 11, answer will be 85 degree. कितना आएगा, 85 degree. Now it is 20 past 7, मतलब 7:20. So let's draw 7:20. Somewhere 7 यहाँ पर आएगा, 20 means 4. So ये 6, ये 5. Again consecutive marks कितना है, 7 और 4 के बीच में 30, 30, 30, that is 90 degree. Correct? But if I see the angle 720 means 7 से आगे जाएगा, ये 8 है ना यहाँ पर, 720 minutes, 20 minutes की 7 की जर्नी आगे चली गई, तो सेल will be somewhere here like this. So angle has to be bigger than the previous one. So I'll add, कितना ऐड करूंगा, minutes divided by 2. कितना minutes है, 20. 20 divided by 2. So it will be 90 degree plus 10 degree. That is, answer will be 100 degree. If you're not understood, no problem. You can ask me in the class, or you can share with me the doubts. I'll clear it. Okay. If it is going fast, please do tell me. So here we end this chapter. 3-4 similar type of sums you must solve to get a good practice. Okay. So angles and measurement, we started with conversion of degree to radian, then degree, minutes and seconds, then its application in triangles, quadrilaterals, polygons and in clock. Okay, very soon we'll have a test on this. MCQ test I'll prefer. Okay, and the next class will be starting with the next chapter. Any doubts, please ask. Thank you.